Hello everyone. Yesterday I posted a story showing off my Hoya serpent splash and I made this trellis and I've gotten several people asking me to do a tutorial. So I'm gonna do a tutorial. What you need is aluminum craft wire. Now it's very important that the higher the gauge number, the skinnier the wire is. So remember that. And I typically use 12 gauge, which is 2 milliliter. I bought this by mistake. It's way too tiny. Okay, so all you need is a drill and you need these pliers. Here's how you start. There's the aluminum wire. I'm going to make a trellis for this Calistophylla. I want it similar to what I have now. So somewhere right here. And it's approximately 4 times the length of that. So this is 2. And then somewhere right here. So whatever length that you like, 4 times of that. I'll just use this. I don't know if you guys saw it. Okay, so it's very easy actually. What you do is you twist, open your drill, and you stuck one end into the drill hole. I don't know how to call it. Okay, and then you use this tool, hold the top. It's best not to hold it with your hand. One time I did it with my hand and then it hurt my finger. You don't really have to worry about the squiggling, and then you just push it down and then it will start to twist. You can choose how tight you want the twist to be. Show you. See the twist? Now you unscrew the tip for your drill and take this out. Sometimes I shape it a little bit so it can go in the soil easily. The top, I cut it because it's a hoop right now. And I'm going to straighten it up like the same as the bottom. Now I find a little thing I would like to use. Find about the midpoint. There you go. This size is good. And I just bend it. I don't know if you can see. Bend it. Fix it a little bit. So there you go. Now if you want to watch me trellis, you just take off the old stick. It's important to lean your trellis a little bit to the back because as you wrap around the plant, it will tilt the trellis forward. So I tend to like tilt it back a little bit. There you go. Okay, now we get little clips. We're just gonna clip it on. Careful not to damage the new leaves. One thing I would like to emphasize is when you trellis a Hoya, it's very important the tip points up, because if it points down, it will stop growing. And then wherever it started to point down, that's when a new shoot will come out. So usually what I do is at the end of it, I will create a loopy-loop, and then the tip still points up. Just make sure you don't bend it too much, then your Hoya won't like it. There you go. I did this side, now the other side is finished. There you go. All done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.